Today I am very glad to share with all of you one of my favorite quotes. It is not enough to have a good mind. The main thing is to use it well. Mind plays a very important role in everyone's life. Mind is considered as one of the most successful tools one can have in order to achieve success in life. As students, no doubt, all of you love the word success. It is a very sweet word indeed. Who doesn't want success after all? I love it. You love it. Everyone loves it. But then, how to get it? How to experience it? How to be the owner of success? That is very important. That is a challenge. Everyone wants success, but in real life, it is not happening. We see many failures around. What do you think is a major difference? A few people who are successful are very wise at using their minds. Others, they don't use their good minds to the extent possible very well. I can strongly say that with all my experience, if we use our minds well, productively, we can get anything we want in life. No second thought about it. Now, let us all take a decision to use our minds properly to get what we want in life. There are 5 important actions one needs to take to enjoy success. What are they? S, P, M, L, A. 5 letters stand for 5 actions. First 2 letters SP. Remember an important person, Superintendent of Police. S for set goals. P for plan your actions. Okay? Then take next 3 letters for an MLA. M, L, A. M for manage your time. L for learn to concentrate. A for apply memory techniques. If you put all these 5 actions into practice, success is going to be yours. I would like to discuss with you all the 5 actions in detail. How to set goals, how to plan your actions, how to manage your time, how to learn to concentrate, and how to apply memory techniques. If you follow and implement all these, definitely you will have success. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Keep following. Stay tuned and also press the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it for your notifications.